What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing an unboxing, unbagging of the Outer Impact red dot adapter plate. This one happens to be for the XD series weapons, the XDm, Mod 2, XDS, all those guys. Yeah, and it's got them all right there. So what do you actually get in the bag when you order this? So first off, you get the plate, which is kind of the important part there, and it has a bunch of different mounting points. This is great because it'll react well with a bunch of different platforms. So I'm pairing it with the Polisem 507C, which shares the same footprint as the Trijicon RMR. If you guys want to see that, I'll make sure to put that video somewhere around here. We're gonna kind of be throwing all these videos out there at once. But you've got M4 screws, M3 screws, we've got our dovetail, and then we've got number 6 screws. When I ordered my Outer Impact plate, they sent an email where when you torque down your Outer Impact plate, it's going to be 25 inch-pounds of pressure, and then for your red dot itself, it's going to be 12 inch-pounds of pressure or torque on those. So make sure that you torque those down as best as you can and be accurate, and always make sure whenever you guys are putting on a red dot adapter or a red dot period that you are putting it in there using Loctite, red or blue, whichever one works for you. Make sure that you do that and then leave it there for 24 hours. Don't touch it, don't take it straight to the range because you're excited. I know it's so hard to fight that urge to take your new toys and go play with them, but seriously, if you want it to work well for you, make sure that you are actually giving it the 24 hours it needs for that Loctite to harden. That way it's not shifting on you and your screws aren't backing out as you go and put some rounds down range. So that is the unboxing portion of the Outer Impact mounting plate. I'll make sure to have a full video where I put on the Outer Impact plate onto my Springfield, and we're gonna mount the 507C to it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in the same video or a different video. It'll just depend on the time. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for those. Y'all have fun, be safe, making choices. Have a great day.